Welcome to lasa.Africa. Today we show you the progress assembly of the LSA-LUX-DRYDBL. Let's go ahead and open up the box. Okay, for step 1, you require parts A and parts B. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For the next step, you'll require two C2s and two C1s. Let's go ahead and assemble now. When installing, these are all height adjustable, so you can do it according to your preference. Let's go ahead now. For the next step, you require two parts D and two parts E. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For the next part, we're going to take our previous assembled parts and line it up to our main assembly. Let's go ahead and install. Let's move on to our last step, part F. This is just to stabilize the product. Let's go ahead and install now. Thank you for watching the progress survey of our LSA-LUX-DRYDBL. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to view more of our products and more of our assemblies. Thank you.